The camping group came to the Okefenokee Swamp in Georgia, and we are out here doing a tour of the inside of the Chesser house, a family that actually lived out in the swamp. And when they finally decided to move to the town of Folkestone back in the 50s, they donated this property that belongs to what is called the Okefenokee Refuge. Was no electricity here, so that was a propane refrigerator. The stove would have been gas, and the tour guide also said that there was a washing machine that was also ran off of either gas or propane. There were 7 children that were raised here. This was one of the original bedrooms, and they added an additional porch back here. And had a couple more beds up in here. And you can kind of see it's just basically a porch that they added on. There's the wall for the original house. And in between what you would consider 2 bedrooms, they just put up a makeshift wall. And then walking through here, out on the porch, was 2 more bedrooms. So for a family of 7 children, I think that they were pretty lucky that the parents cared enough that they actually tried to give them individual beds and bedroom space. There was a window there, which that would have been nice in the winter. Maybe some of the heat from the inside of the house came out onto this porch. Old wagon there. Some of the members of the Chesser family, probably the grandkids and great-grandkids, still live here in Folkestone. In fact, I am a Folkestone resident, and one of the family members actually live about 7 houses down the street from me. One of the nice family artifacts that is here is the family Bible. And this is the owner's, okay, Tom, and that his wife, Iva, were the owners of this home with their 7 children. If you're going to pull off, you have to be on the outside of the lines there. There are a few places folks aren't allowed to park because there's no safe place, so if they're parked there, we have to ask them to move on. And then, depending on where, and right off of the front porch is another bedroom here. Set up a safe perimeter so that folks can hopefully get a good opportunity to watch the bear, but not interfere with the bear or put themselves in harm's way. So 100 yards. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough, and see you in another video. God bless you.